We're going to see whether or not I can replace all 4 of these remote controls with a single SofaBaton U2 remote control. The SofaBaton U2 is a smart remote that allows you to connect all of your different devices via Bluetooth to this remote so it can replace all of your additional remotes. Inside of the box, you get the remote, you get 2 AA batteries, and of course, you get a user manual. I'm super excited that I was sent this because I'm very curious whether or not it can actually replace all of my different devices set up on my TV. As far as all the buttons and controls are concerned, we do have a little LED screen here at the top where you can select the different device that you want to control using the remote. Then we have a power button, a home button, menu buttons, of course your clicking and control buttons, as well as volume, pause, stop, play, rewind, and fast forward. Now actually using the SofaBaton U2 is pretty straightforward. The first thing that you're going to want to do is connect to the app, and it tells you to do that right on the screen. After you do that, it will instruct you to then add a device on the app. And then you can select either infrared or Bluetooth. We're going to go with Bluetooth. You can select from a list of various different devices like Android TV, apps, a Bluetooth keyboard, a Fire TV, etc. We're going to go ahead and click on Android box for this connection. I'll go ahead and leave the name at Android box, and you can select an icon. Then we can hit continue. It will disconnect the remote to then pair the device, and in order to pair the device, we're going to have to go into the settings of whatever device we want to pair. So I'll be using my on TV box remote to do that, so I'll go over to the settings icon here, click on Bluetooth, and we'll pair remote or accessory. Now you notice that we are paired with the SofaBaton over there on the left. So we're ready to use it, and it's already logged into our remote. Now we can select Android box from the list of devices, and we can use this like it was the on remote. So I can scroll through, I can select my content. I could also mute it or turn the volume up or down. There really is quite a lot that we can do with the remote, and it completely replaces the other one. Now we can do the same thing to set up the TV here. So I could go to add another device, click on Android TV, select an icon, we'll go with TV, hit continue, and now I can use my TV remote to go into settings, and we can do the exact same thing, pair it using Bluetooth. And just like that, we've now taken these 2 remotes and replaced it with the single SofaBaton remote. In my opinion, if you have multiple different TV boxes, or if you have a sound bar, this is going to come in handy because you won't have to look for so many different remotes. So when it comes down to it, can I use this single remote to replace all of my other TV boxes, TVs, and devices? Absolutely yes. I can use the SofaBaton U2 to replace anything that is a Bluetooth device. That could be your soundbar, that could be your Fire Stick TV, that could be even your Fire Stick. As long as it has Bluetooth, you can connect it to the U2, making this a universal remote for your entertainment system. So that begs the question, who is this for? And this remote is for anyone looking to replace everything and have one remote that does all of your controls for your TV. If that's you, I definitely think that this is worth checking out. I really do like SofaBaton products, and I think they did a good job with the U2 version of this remote. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next review.